Howdy, neighbors. This is Wednesday morning. I was sitting here watching the birds. Various ones come to the feeders. And a red-headed woodpecker landed right there on that pole. And actually flew almost right there to Pigpen's bowl before he realized I was sitting right here and took off. But he was ready to steal the dog food, which is rather typical of them. I've seen a couple of goldfinches. There's nowhere near like there have been goldfinches here in the past. A couple other birds come to the big feeder, fly in, grab a mouthful, grab something, and fly off real quick. Then, of course, there's the hummingbirds. Speaking of loudmouth woodpeckers, those are handsome birds, whatever they are. They like the fruit in the trees. Of course, they could be eating bugs in the trees, too. I hear the mourning dove over there at Henry's place. Supposed to be 108 today. I think 107, then 101, 102, 104, 105, 106. I think that's the next 7 days. Oh, and Pigpen is now wearing a collar. And I got a blue one too. Speaking of goldfinches, must be a youngster. It's not very coordinated. There's one on the Yep. Oh, found another spot. So they're learning. And the hummingbird is doing his thing. It's funny. Somebody will come along and chase him out. Or he'll go chase them out, I should say. And then one flew by and he had to go after it. That one flew like a foot away from my door. But he'll he'll find somebody and he'll chase them. I can hear other ones, including him. They're squawking at each other. And when he's chasing the other one off, another one will sneak into the feeder and he comes flying back, and the other one sneaks off real quick. And then we got all these finches. Oh, here's the one that comes and just grabs a quick bite and then usually takes off. Zoom. Yep. The goldfinches are starting to figure it out. And they're another one. They'll fight and fight and fight. And there'll be 3 goldfinches and, I don't know, 10 spots that they could be sitting in, and they'll still fight. I might go to the casino today and hang out, waste some money. At least it's all nice and air conditioned. And I can get free coffee and free pop. Free. That's a good one. Oh, you're back again, huh? And you're back. Zoop. Fly down. Grab one. Go. Oh, my neighbors left this morning too. They're pulling a pop-up camper with a small airboat on top of it and a bunch of camping gear, and I guess there's like 3 or 4 of them that are going together. I imagine they're going to go find a spot on the water someplace, or it's got to be cooler than here. And he's back. All right. This goes on pretty much on and off all day, except when it's really hot, middle of the day. But mornings and evenings, this is what my front porch looks like right now. Pretty little birdies.